You heard that squeaking sound, right? That sound is a fairly common issue on the Toyota Yaris, and generally it arises from a loose belt pulling and slipping on its pulleys, creating that high frequency sound. Today, I'll show you a method to fix this squeaky issue without replacing your belt. However, ensure that your belt is in good condition. And here are the materials that you will need. 12mm socket, socket wrench, pry bar. Here is the alternator. Normally, this is used to remove the belt, but it can also be used to increase the belt tension. Start with the 12mm socket to loosen this bolt on the alternator. Once it is loosened, place the pry bar in the middle of the alternator. Push forward on the pry bar until the alternator starts to move, which naturally tightens the belt. We can test and see how the belt sounds now. With that, we have fixed the squeaky belt problem without replacing the belt. And that's all I'll show you for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to type them in the comments below. Bye! I'll see you in the next video.